Hello, good afternoon. My name is Lisa. This is where I sew. You're very welcome. This is week 6 of my dress cake making sewing course at my local college. There was no classes last week because it was a midterm, so I was able to get on and finish the project that I'd chosen to do, which is, I'll put a picture in up here, of a denim jumpsuit all-in-one culottes, kind of a combination thing. Fabulous. So I finished it and I brought it in to show my teacher, and she was very complimentary. Now, because I've made it for myself, I didn't overlock the seams. So she looked inside. I mean, I have to say, it is a bit of a dog's dinner on the inside, but because I'm the only one's going to be seeing it, I thought that should be grand. But she said, you know what, you're as well off French seaming and closing all those seams, because it is going to fray and eventually fall apart, and it will make it more durable. Thought, yeah, absolutely. The font of all wisdom and knowledge strikes again. I'll be about my business. Thank you very much. There was 2 things, just going back to things that I would do differently. Number 1, I would choose a lighter weight fabric, because that denim, this thing can literally stand on its own. It is really heavy. Now, come the winter, it's going to come into its own. It's going to be perfect. I have images of sturdy Victorian ladies striding across moors in the fog in this armour. And that's what it's perfect for. Maybe you could just put long sleeve t-shirt and a pair of boots underneath it. You do not need anything more than that. But June, July, August in London, no, you're going to get air ambulance out there in that thing. So I'm going to do another one in linen, and I think it's going to be fabulous. Number 2, when I chose the fabric, I didn't give it a good eyeball, because I got it home only to discover that where the fabric has been folded on the fold, it's created a crease. Like there's a discoloration, a line that runs straight down the middle, like my mum has been ironing them for me, bless. But it's not a look, is it? It wasn't what I was aiming for. So word to the wise, do check, have a good look at the fabric before you purchase. Just grand. I'll make a feature of it. What am I going to do? So then that's finished. That gave me space to bring in this project that I've been working on. And it's kind of been, it's like an orphan child that's been lurking around in here going, oh, finish me. I'm so close to being finished. There's just this tiny detail that has just brought the whole thing to a screeching halt. So I will put a picture of it, what it was originally, which was a dress I found in a charity shop. And if you look at it, the really vibrant fabric and lots of fabric in it as well. So I thought, oh, I'm going to be able to do something fabulous with that. Got it home, and I strategically chopped it all up, and I was able to get enough out of it to make a bodice. I boned the bodice, and then I took another leap forward and I thought, let's line that. That'll look fabulous. Lined it. And then that's when I hit the wall, or my capabilities, abilities, and my entire brain power ran out. Could not work out how to put a concealed zipper into something that's lined on the inside as well. Something was blocking me. I watched umpteen videos. Just couldn't, no matter how many times I spent looking at it, it's like, I just don't get it. And I think one of the things is quite a few people had different approaches. So I was getting very, very confused. So I brought it in yesterday, and my teacher very kindly sat down, talked me through it. What, 10 minutes? That's all it took. I must be custard brain again. I don't know. I think it might have been lack of confidence as well. You know, when you're just looking at something going, oh, no, that's too much. But I just couldn't flip it around so I could do it basically backwards when you're doing it. Anyway, so I've achieved that. So that should be finished for next week as well. And hopefully, because it is really pretty, it's really summery, so lovely. So that was yesterday's excitement. And I say yesterday because I came home after my class and I was full of vim and vigor, and I thought I'll do my little vlog now. It would be great and it'll all be fresh, and sorted myself out here, opened all the windows, only to realise that every child in every garden up and down the neighbourhood was out reenacting the D-Day landings, or killing one another, or torturing one another. It actually got so bad it sounded like people were in physical distress in my house, and it just sounded very dodgy. I didn't want to give the wrong impression, so I gave up. So it's very peaceful and lovely now, and I thought, I'll do this. So I'm all done. That's fantastic. We're all up to speed. The other thing that I'm going to do, hopefully to have it for next week, because I won't get a chance later, is a tiny little, teeny tiny micro vlog tutorial on winding your bobbin up on the Genome 4400 that I have here. Do go and take a look at, there's a couple of other tutorials that I've done. They certainly won't take more than a couple of minutes out of your day. Hopefully I'll do that one, and I'll add it to my body of work. The world will be more knowledgeable for it. Thanks for coming by. Give me a like, subscribe, or just watch. Leave me a comment. I'm hoping to go shopping to Goldhawk Road this weekend. Been meaning to do that for a while, so let's see what I find, what I come across. I shall take some pictures and put them up and give you a little review of what I find, or not. Thanks for watching. Come and see me next week. Bye for now.